What's wrong with it? Sounds like me first thing in the morning.
Everybody chill. Panicking ain't gonna get us anywhere. We're all gonna die.
Commencing standard emergency breakdown procedure. Here we go. Option 1. Yes, 1.
Permission to strap myself to the roof and get struck by lightning. With any luck, my exploding head will act as a distress flare to any passing ships.
Guys, relax. I'm with the AA. You just tap the app and help's on the way. You can even track the mechanic right to your side.
No one's gonna turn up 3 million years into deep space. 1!
Hi, guys.
Uno!
Let's see what the problem is. Okay, try that. Is there anything else?
Yeah, can you fix him?
I can fix him.